Hello everyone, and welcome to our YouTube series called Compressed Air Advice. These series of videos are here to help you understand more about the world of compressed air and to answer some questions you might have when looking to purchase a new compressor or simply to improve your existing compressed air system. Today's video, we will talk about the advanced service options that are available. Optimizing energy consumption and reducing operational costs are top priorities for industries across various sectors. For companies relying on compressed air systems, Atlas Copco offers 4 advanced service options that can revolutionize the way they manage their air system. These options include AIRScan for air leak detection, Optimizer 4.0 for system optimization and proactive maintenance, Equalizer 4.0 for efficient control and reduced energy consumption, and energy recovery for reduced environmental impact and cost savings. Inefficient compressed air systems can result in substantial energy losses and financial waste. With AIRScan, Atlas Copco helps you identify and address air leaks that may be causing up to 20% of your compressed air consumption to go to waste. By utilizing specialized tools and proprietary software, our experts evaluate energy losses and provide realistic saving figures. The process begins with a thorough inspection of your system, during which leaks are identified and assessed. The collected data is then analyzed and a comprehensive report is generated, highlighting the problems and providing effective solutions to improve your system's performance. By addressing air leakages, you can significantly reduce energy costs and enhance the overall efficiency of your compressed air system. Atlas Copco's Optimizer 4.0 is a cutting-edge device designed to optimize the operation of your compressed air and blower system. This advanced controller ensures that your units maintain optimal pressure and flow while maximizing energy savings. With online monitoring capabilities, it takes a proactive approach to maintenance, helping you avoid unexpected downtime and costly repairs. The Optimizer 4.0 is designed for the modern era of smart factories and Industry 4.0. It seamlessly integrates with Atlas Copco compressors and blowers, ensuring the highest level of efficiency. By prioritizing machines with efficient combinations, the controller regulates variable speed drive VSD units to match varying demand, reducing load, unload cycles, and extending the lifespan of your equipment. The Optimizer 4.0 facilitates remote monitoring and control, allowing you to connect your air system to a LAN or cloud-based monitoring system. By harnessing the power of data analysis, you can make informed decisions, optimize performance, and enhance the reliability of your air system. The Equalizer 4.0 Pro serves as a central controller that actively manages your compressors, optimizing energy consumption and maintenance needs. Equipped with a user-friendly touchscreen display, it provides real-time access to relevant data and key performance indicators (KPIs). With the Equalizer 4.0, you can prioritize compressors based on predefined rules, reduce energy costs, and minimize maintenance intervals. It enables seamless integration of up to 8 compressors within a common air net, regardless of whether they are fixed-speed or frequency converter-driven VSD compressors. The advanced connectivity options of the Equalizer 4.0 include LAN, cloud, and industrial protocols SCADA, empowering you to monitor and control your air systems through various channels. By visualizing all operating parameters on the touchscreen display, you gain valuable insights into system performance and can make data-driven decisions to optimize efficiency and reduce energy consumption. Energy recovery solutions are standalone units with a small footprint. Installation is simple thanks to the dedicated connection kit, and it doesn't affect a compressor's serviceability. ER is available in stainless steel and cost-effective copper. There is always an energy recovery solution that suits your needs and budget. A staggering 94% of the energy an air compressor consumes is converted into heat. Without energy recovery, this costly thermal energy vanishes into the atmosphere and via the cooling system and radiation. Energy recovery can reclaim up to 75% of that heat for reuse, resulting in significant savings. The exact savings value depends on your compressor installation, air system, and waste heat applications. In an era where energy efficiency and cost savings are paramount, Atlas Copco's advanced service options offer a comprehensive solution for optimizing compressed air systems. With AIRScan, Optimizer 4.0, Equalizer 4.0, and energy recovery, you can detect and address air leakages, optimize system performance, reduce energy consumption, reduce your environmental impact, and enhance the reliability of your compressed air infrastructure. By leveraging these advanced technologies, businesses can achieve substantial cost savings and increase productivity. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope it has helped you. If you have any questions, please click the link in the description and a service representative will reach out to you shortly.